Hey everybody, this is Peter with BibleMoneyMatters.com, and today we're going to take a look at Visible. It's a new mobile network that is owned by Verizon, and their claim to fame is unlimited everything, talk, text, and data for only $40 a month. So let's take a look. Okay, so the folks at Visible sent over an iPhone for me to check out their new service. Let's open the box here and see what we have in here. Alright, so first of all we have a little... got the little tool there for taking out the SIM card. I'm assuming they may have pre-installed the SIM card for me. I think otherwise it would be in there. It's kind of a cool little package how it opens there. Alright. So I believe they've already pre-installed this since this is a review phone. And got the USB cord. We've got the power. And we've got the iPhone here. There it is. Got the nice iPhone. Looks basically brand new. Now Visible on their site have mostly iPhones available on their site. They just opened their service up to Android devices, and currently only the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are compatible, along with a Visible phone. Android phone is called the Visible R2, which is a phone made by ZTE. Those are the only 3 Android phones you can get on the service currently. They do plan on adding more Android phones, and that should be available at some point relatively soon. They're kind of going through a beta of the Android version of their service right now. Otherwise, mostly Apple phones are going to be on the service. Pretty much any recent generation phones, except for a couple of Apple iPhone 7s, I believe, have some issues with the service. But otherwise, any of the newer phones should work for the most part. So we're going to power this up, get this phone powered up, turned on, and then kind of test it out and run it through its paces. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've got the phone all turned on, ready to go. Been able to boot up this iPhone 8 and kind of walk through the phone and get that all going. It's just your standard run-of-the-mill iPhone 8, so everything about that is what you would expect. So let's just jump into the Visible app here and take a look at what you can do in the app itself. So really it's pretty limited as far as what you can do in the app right now. It's mainly, you can come in here, you can share a referral link for your friends if you want them to join Visible as well, and you can share it through the app there. There's a link to the shop. We're not going to go there now. And then there's finally the page where you can come in here and you can pay for your service. You can add a credit card. You can check your balance if you added a balance to your account. But you can also see when your next due date for your bill is. Right now on my account here, the next due date is March 4th. If you I guess you can't click in there. Next payment is going to be $40, and you'll notice it's $40 exactly. That $40 bill is going to be inclusive of everything, including taxes and everything else. And you can see we've added our payment information in there. You can also come down here and set it to auto pay your membership fee every month, that $40 charge for unlimited everything. You can just have it come off and paid via your payment of type, or excuse me, your payment type of choice. You can come in here, you can check your payment history, your order history, payment history, privacy and security details. And that's really it. There's not a lot you can do in the app. It's just mainly managing your account. Check out the different service features that are available on the account. Right now, really the only one that they have available is a mobile hotspot. You can turn on a mobile hotspot with the phone, so that if you're out and about and you want to share your internet connection with another tablet or something along those lines, you can do that. Just come in here, click to unlock your mobile hotspot, and then when you want to turn on the hotspot, you just go into your settings on your phone and turn it on or turn it off. So really, that's all there is to the Visible mobile app. Again, you don't really need much on your app on your phone as long as you can manage your payments, manage your service. Since there are no other plans with Visible, it's just the one plan, the $40 plan. You don't have to worry about changing plans, so nothing about that in there. But very simple app, does what it needs, and very simple service as well. Definitely worth checking out. Visible, it's a new provider, and I definitely recommend giving them a look, especially if you're a high user of data.